Meaning of hydrate.
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 Hydrate. The word hydrate refers to a chemical compound containing water molecules. Specifically, it describes the process of adding water molecules to a substance. When a substance undergoes hydration, it can result in physical and chemical changes. For instance, hydrated copper sulfate appears blue in color while anhydrous copper sulfate is white. Hydration can also affect the properties of certain materials, such as making them harder or more brittle. In summary, hydrate is a term used to indicate the addition of water molecules to a substance, which can lead to various changes in its properties and appearance.